Hello sir, my name is S. Vijay. I am studying mechanical SRIT Ananthapuram. Today topic about voltage and current relationship with space diagrams in R circuits. Introduction to voltage and current relationship in R circuit. In an R circuit, voltage refers to the rating at which charge carriers move through the circuit. Current is flow and of electron charge in electrons. His mass is measured in ampere. Yeah. The relationship between voltage and current can be understood using a space diagram. Current and drift velocity I equal to n small n capital A V Q. Space diagram base. A space diagram represented the magnified and space relationship between current and voltage and AC current. In a space diagram, the current is represented by the voltage of our spacer. The length of the spacer represented the magnified of current and its angle represented the space relationship with voltage. Series of RL circuit spacer diagram. Relationship between voltage and current in R circuit. In an R circuits, current is directly proportional to the voltage and invariantly proportional to the resistance. As the voltage increases, the current also increases. Flowing Ohm's law I equal to V by R. The velocity of charge carriers, such as electrons, is directly proportional to the current flowing through the circuit. Ohm's law V equal to IR, P equal to V into R equal to I dash I comma I square equal to R, I square into R. Spacer diagram representative of voltage and current. In a spatial diagram, the angle between the current spacer and the voltage spacer represents the space shift between them. The magnifying the current spacer represented the currents flowing through the current. The length and direction of the current space represented the voltage and direction of the charge carries. Space diagram of zero space diagram example. Zero space shift. In an zero R circuit with zero space shift, the current spacer agrees perfectly with the voltage space. The included that the current and the voltage are in the space and there is no space difference between them. The charge carriers moves with the same voltage and current related to the most of flowing current. Spacer diagram example. Positive space shift. In an R circuit which is positive has space shift, the current space gauge behind the voltage spacer, including that the current lagging behind the voltage and there is space difference between them. The charge carried moving at the shift slow voltage, then the current registered in declaring flows to charge. Spacer diagram example negative space shift. In this R circuit with a negative space shift, it's the current spacer leading to the voltage space. The inclined to the current lead to the voltage and their space different between them. The charge carried no moving at the least fast voltage than the current regulated in the advanced flow the charge immediately and voltage immediately Z. The total positive to the total opposite to the flows of a current in an AC circuit, including resistance and reaction. In an R circuit, there is no reaction and the impulse is equal to the resistance Z equal to R. The voltage is current. Charge current is anode. The circuit is determined by the applications voltage and resistance. Thank, thank you, sir.